Are you worried about ruining your RF signal clarity? Choosing the right crystal filter could be the key. Let's break it down. Crystal filters keep your signals stable, but their construction changes everything. Let's break down the difference. First up, surface mount or SMD filters. These tiny powerhouses are perfect for high-density PCBs. Think of them like the superheroes of compact design, small but mighty. They're easily automated, making them a go-to for 5G and cutting-edge electronics. On the flip side, we have through-hole, or TH filters. They are the tanks of the filter world. Inserted through PCB holes, they offer robust mechanical stability, perfect for aerospace, automotive, and any high-vibration environments. They might be bulkier, but they're built to last. So how do you choose? Need rugged performance? Go through-hole? Want sleek efficiency? Go surface mount. Simple, right? Smart engineers match their filter to the build. Construction matters in signal performance, reliability, and design flow. Choosing the right crystal filter starts with understanding how it's built. Like, share, and subscribe for more hardware engineering insights.